Good morning once again. This is your third engineer Rodney Ayala of Grimaldi Shipping Lines, where I on board now at ACL vessel or Atlantic Container Lines. So these features I would like to share everyone regarding to our course PSCRB, so that everyone knows about the hard startings of the engine. Apparently, the other mariners, students, when I am asking in the exact maritime training center, what is the most significant cause with the in your fast rescue boat? So lots of the mariners replied, and then they said, "Sir, Rodney Ayala, maybe you have a knowledge of this engine, because it is very hard to start anything." So all of the students when I am asking is very hard started. That is true. You know why? The engine is very hard starting. If we are going to remember our basic principles, the engine may need of heat, right? So when the air is coming inside of the combustion and the heated inside of the combustion and hot air mixing before they are giving fuel, right? So the situation of your rescue boat is outside of the vessel. It was some hanging on the port side or the starboard side. Then the vessel, your vessel is passing to the cold climate, especially with the -10, -19. So of course, the engine will become getting cold. So what is the principle? The engine may needs a heat so that they can give a complete combustion. So now, what I am going to do, follow my instruction. So there is no hard starting anymore if you follow my instruction or what I'm going to be. Thank you very much. And this is our rescue boat. This is what we have looks like in the rescue boat on board the vessels. As you can see, there is also the name of the vessels, which is also indicate the registry, no? Where the vessel is registered. Now, we have a problem, lots of problem that I've been encountered with to all the students, master's chief engineer, not even than that, regarding the hard starting of the engine. But for this time, I would like to show anyone, even the engine is submerged with water. These kinds of engines will also possibilities to start with. Then I'm gonna show you how to do it. Take a look at this. Okay then, and then before we are going to start with, we are making sure that we have equipped with this drum. Okay, as you can see this drum, the purpose of these procedures is to ensure that we will insert to the propeller, so into the supplying the cooling, no? So the cooling will be produced for the engine in case of the high temperatures of the engine while it is running. Okay, so we have the propeller. Then this is this drum. We have to insert like this. So that is all set. So this is a propeller. This is a propeller, and we have here a suctions of the water. So we submerge this propeller to the water to ensure that the cooling systems will be coming up to the engines. So this is a cooling from the pump. Now there is a pump inside, and we make a do like this. So okay, all set. So we have a drum here. So we have to do is to fill it up with water, fresh water, and then to ensure that there is no damage of the batteries, because this rescue boat is equipped with the batteries, 14 volt, to ensure the supplying of the starting. But to ensure will not broken it, these chargers for the rescue boat. So we have to open it and then shut it off. All right. So we don't need to disconnect this wire. This wire. So we don't need to disconnect it because we are already cutting off the fire. So we are going to proceed with this hard starting engine. And then now this is a second step. Now we filled it up with water. Okay. The purpose of these features is to ensure that the cooling systems are inside the rail. And while we are waiting, we go to the next step. First and foremost, don't forget this one. We're in the neutral. So this is the starting. Okay. Okay, to ensure with this is starting, we are going to click 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the reason why I'm gonna do that? Is the hard starting engine, while this one is situated in the outside, there is a minus temperature will be getting cold. So we are pulling out this trigger to start the fractions of the combustion chambers that and then started would heat it up. You know, the ICE, which may require of the internal combustion engines. So these engines, lots of people, students or any engineers on board, that these engines is for 4-stroke. No, that is not correct. This kind of engine is a 2-stroke engine. This is the reason why they need this one, A2T lube oil. Okay, so we are already kicked for 10 times to ensure that the chamber will already have a frictions in any wall. So now to say that the next step is like this. We are going to take out this cover. Okay, release. And this one. Okay, once again, we will strike again this one. 5, okay? And then don't even open any valve. The supply, fuel oil supply from the main tank. Okay, next step is to remove this spark plug. This two spark plug. We will remove. Okay, take out. And then we will take out the spark plug. Remove the spark plug completely. Okay, now it's completely removed. So, and what we are going to start with is to kick again this starter to ensure that all the fuel accumulating inside of this combustion chamber will also remove while the piston is going up and down. Okay, now we will kick again 3 to 4 times. So there is no fuel inside, already burst out. Okay, we have an electro-clean. This is an electro-clean, as you can see, electro-clean. Okay. The purpose of this electro-clean, if you don't have any of this can, and then you may proceed to the electrician and you ask one of this. So I'm going to show you how to insert this one inside. Okay. We will spray this inside any motors, even the wave. Okay. That's why I did it. back again this spark plug. Make sure it is tight. That is how it is. And then we will proceed to the fuel supply. Fuel oil supply tank. So in the rescue boat, we have a fuel. So this is a fuel supply tank. Then we have a valve of the fuel, this tank, and then we have to open it. And we close again. Okay, this is only how to testing. Okay, to start with the engine. Now, we will proceed. We have a 2 batteries of this rescue boat, 1 and 2. But we put this now to the both positions. So this is 1 and this is 2. We will put this now to the both position. You see, as you can see, both position. Now we have to choke. So we have to insert this one. Push. Alright? And this lever we have to move forward to ensure that it's neutral. Now, this is the battery key and start with. Alright? This is how to start. Okay. And we will start again. Quite easy if we will follow the procedures. And we shut down again. And we will start again. That is how it's supposed to be. And thank you very much for your listening. Like and share for these videos. And we're wishing you a pleasant sail with Atlantic Star.